Hello everyone, I'm Andrew McClendon and today I bring you Uniswap. I'll be sharing three simple important things about this cryptocurrency, the market information, where to find important information at, and also price prediction. Let's begin. So guys, here's Uniswap. It is number 15 on the list, trading currently at $26.87, number 15 on the list. Huge market cap at 16.86 billion with a B. Now guys, this cryptocurrency, before trading, you gotta know what it is. Uniswap is a very popular centralized trading protocol known for its role in facilitating automated trading of its decentralized finance or DeFi tokens. Now if you guys want to know more about what I do trade with EAs for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and I automate all my trading for Forex and cryptocurrency trading, and some of the indices too. But let's get into more little details. When it comes to Uniswap, they are on the Ethereum platform. So if you're going to be looking at that, just understand they're connected to Ethereum, okay? So let's look at what part of the markets they are on. So Uniswap's on a bunch of markets. It is in the top 20. So this cryptocurrency is highly traded. People are hodling this. It's huge because it's on Binance, Hugo Global, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, Gate.io, KuCoin, Kraken. So guys, if you're looking at trading hodling this, there are plentiful places to look at it, okay? Now guys, let's get into the news and information, okay? Next thing, here's their website. It actually looks pretty cool with their pink unicorn. If you guys want to find out more details that I did not cover, check out this website. I'll have a link below. Here's their home site. So if you guys want to find more information, once again, check out their website. Educate yourself before making a financial decision. Here's their Twitter page, guys. Now, they post pretty often. They get over 700,000 followers is about. So if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, Andre J. McClendon here on Twitter. I talk about political stuff, trading, investing, yada, yada, right? And that is the news, guys. Now let's get into that price prediction. So for, okay, here we go. Now for, all this ads. So for Unicoin, I'm going to use super trend and my Fibonacci projection, okay? I'm going to use some basic structural analysis. So if you have any question or comment, just drop one below and I'll give you my thoughts, okay? Well, here's how I'm going to approach it if I was going to get into Uniswap. So if we look at the overall direction, right, we just zoom, pan out. Here in the daily, you can definitely tell that this has been a massive mover. Since even late 2020 to early 2021, this has been a very, very huge mover. So if you got into this cryptocurrency early, you are seeing massive gains. But with our current movement right now, we're sitting at $26.80 something cents. How would we approach this? So right here, guys, I'm going to zoom in. So with our current price here, you can see that the super trend is slowing down and it seems to be switching over to the green, as it did. So since this has already started moving and I'm a trend trader, for me, I'm going to be entering on a buy market right here. So my buy market position, that is where I'll be heading up to one of these, I'll say this easy double top right here, double top zone right here. So that's my area. I'm entering a buy market for my first position. Now, I'm a trader and I know that I'm not always correct. So if I am wrong, it doesn't hold that go and it goes down from here, or down to this one of these lows, previous lows, right? I'm going to place a buy limit down here. Now, I'm planning to trade this. And if I'm going to hodl it, I'll tell you that after I'm done trading this for my position. I will be still having my target profit. I'm sorry, target profit up to here. That's my goal price. So my price prediction is going to be about $30 and $30. So that's my zone, the $30 level. I'm going to hit it once up here. If it hits this price up here for my first target profit, all I'm going to do is grab my stop loss, move it above my entry price, lock in that trade. Once I lock in that trade, then I'm going to let it run. Because if it keeps on going higher, my trade is going to, more and more profits. All I'm going to do is move my stop loss higher, locking in more profits. For this position, if it goes down, hits my buy limit, and I'm going to do a small lot size just because I'm entering in. There's a lot of volatility in this cryptocurrency. So for example, if you're trading on MetaTrader 4, you're trading, I'll do a low lot size, have a large swing, hits my buy limit, swings back up. If it does that, then I'm going to lock in my trade here, lock in my trade here. maintaining two profits in this trade and letting them both run. Now the third thing I'm going to do, if this happens, the second scenario, I will be placing a buy stop at this current high. And this is how I'm going to get my immediate profit or immediate trade back. So once it does this, hits down, hit this buy limit, it's going to engage my buy stop. Once it engages my buy stop, it's going to trip and hit my, if it does this, hits my target profit. That is my short-term goal for this. If you guys want a long-term prediction, just drop a comment below. But for Uniswap, I'm going for $30. Option 1, 1 position. Option 2 is going to be 2 positions, and a total of 3, all going for the $30 level. That is the trading prediction. Now, if I'm hodling this, guys, off the bat, since it's already moving, I'm going to buy into it now. And every big dip, if it makes a massive dip, like if it goes down to this $22 level, I'll buy. It goes down to this level, I'll buy. But I'm going to be buying on a very steady basis. So if I get paid on Friday, for example, every single Friday, I'll put X amount of non-risk money into this cryptocurrency. And every Friday, I'll do the same thing to remove the emotions and remove all other, FOMO parts of trading. Once I do that, have my profits, I'm going to manage my profits the same way. Every significant level, so like this, at the $30 level, exit some of my position. At the $35 level, exit my position. You got to have a plan for your entry and have a plan for your exit while trading. It's a business. But that is my trading prediction, guys. Now let's get to my website. So, guys, I'm updating my website. I'm adding 2 new parts for it. I'm adding the cryptocurrency part where this YouTube portion will be. So if you guys did make it to the end of the video, you guys will be seeing it very soon in upcoming videos. But that's the update for you. But if you want to learn about trading, more about money, economics, please book a session with myself, or we can have that conversation. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.